Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate that ultra-popular AI avatar trend on TikTok using nothing but the CapCut app and one of their powerful templates. By the end of this video, you'll know how to craft an eye-catching, AI-generated avatar video that looks just like the viral ones you've seen all over your feed. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's open CapCut. Make sure you've got it installed and updated, since the AI avatar feature is a relatively recent addition. Once you open CapCut, you'll see a big Create New button right on the homepage. Go ahead and tap that. This is where all your new video projects begin. Now, select Blank Canvas. Choosing a blank canvas gives you complete control over the look and layout of your video. Kind of like starting with a fresh sheet of paper instead of one that already has notes on it. After you're set up with a blank canvas, it's time to add the text that your AI avatar will say. Find the text option, usually along the bottom bar if you're on mobile, or on the left panel if you're using CapCut on desktop. Click it, then paste in the text you want your avatar to speak. If you're making a TikTok for a trending challenge, you'll want to use one of the hot, viral texts everyone's using. Think catchy phrases, relatable memes, or a line from a popular song. The right choice here is key for grabbing attention on TikTok, so don't be afraid to take an extra moment and search for what's currently blowing up. And remember, you can always tweak or rewrite the text if you want to add your own spin. With your trending text in place, it's time for the magic. Turning your words into an expressive AI avatar. Look for the AI Avatars button, which is usually on the right panel of the workspace. Clicking that opens up CapCut's gallery of AI-generated avatars. You'll find a mix of styles, from realistic digital humans to cartoonish and stylized faces. Take a minute to browse. The choice of avatar can set the entire vibe of your video, so pick one that matches the tone of your text. For example, if your text is playful or silly, a cartoony avatar might make your video pop. If it's more serious or motivational, try one of the realistic options. Once you've found the perfect AI avatar, simply select it and hit Add. CapCut runs its clever algorithms to animate your chosen avatar, making it speak the text you entered. This part might take a few moments, especially if your device isn't the newest or if your text is longer. Don't worry if it takes a little time to process. The app is doing a lot behind the scenes to sync voice movement and facial expressions, so your avatar looks natural. If you see any errors or weird mouth movements, you can always try a shorter text or a different avatar. A bit of trial and error is totally normal and part of the creative process. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. As cool as CapCut's AI avatar feature is, it's not available for free. You'll need to upgrade to a pro plan if you want to export or use these videos without watermarks or limits. If you're already a subscriber, you're all set. If not, you'll see prompts to upgrade before you can finish or share your video. It's worth considering if you plan to make a lot of content like this or take your TikTok videos to the next level. And that's the whole workflow. Once your AI avatar video is ready, export it and upload straight to TikTok to jump in on the latest trend. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative how-tos. If you have any questions or if you hit any snags with CapCut, just drop a comment below. I check those regularly and I'm happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.